In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill color in Canva. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can confidently change the color of any shape in your design. This is useful for matching your brand, improving contrast, or just giving your layout a fresh look. Start by clicking the shape you want to recolor on your canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles around it, and the top toolbar updates to show options related to that shape. If you don't see those options, click once more directly on the shape to make sure it's truly selected, not just the page or a nearby element. With the shape selected, look at the top of the editor and click the color swatch. This tile shows the shape's current fill color. Clicking it opens Canva's color panel, where you'll see sections like document colors, default or suggested colors, and possibly your brand colors if your account has them. This panel is your hub for everything related to fill color. Now choose the color you want. Simply click a color in the panel, and your shape updates immediately on the canvas. If you're aiming for an exact hue, you can fine-tune by opening the color picker and adjusting the slider and brightness square until it looks right. If you work with specific brand codes, you can enter a hex value to match precise colors. Some versions also include an eyedropper tool, which helps you match a color from elsewhere on your screen for a consistent look. All of these options fall under the same action, selecting the color that best fits your design. As you choose, think about contrast and readability. For example, if text sits on top of the shape, make sure the color you pick keeps the text legible. Dark shapes work well with light text, and light shapes pair best with dark text. If you're designing for print, consider how saturated colors might appear on paper, and if you're designing for screens, check how the color looks at smaller sizes. If the color doesn't change after you select it, double-check that you clicked the shape itself and not a grouped element or an image. Only vector shapes respond to the fill color control. Also remember that Canva saves as you go, so once the color looks right, you're done. No extra save step required. That's all there is to it. Click the shape, click the color at the top, and select the color you want. Happy designing!